Welcome to another video here on Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the extra large Pro Clips device holder mount in your 2012 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. This is a pretty unique, innovative product, and it's got a lot of features, and the device holders for holding your iPhones, smartphones, works beautifully. Gives you a good hands-free experience, so stick around and make sure you watch the entire video. Okay, before we actually install the base, there's a couple things that we need to do to get prepared for that. One, we need to take the base off of the device holder, and we want to attach those. There's the base, pre-drilled holes. We want to attach these with the provided screws to the base. That just requires a Phillips screwdriver to get those off. So okay, so we finished our little bit of prep work that we needed to do with the base. We got the base for the device holders mounted, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to prep the dash of the Jeep. There is some double-sided tape here. This is just a secondary kind of precaution. The way this device mounts, I'll show you here in just a moment, really is relying on a lot of the spring tension built into this piece here. So we'll get to that, but you definitely want to clean the area off on the dash with some alcohol and a paper towel. So the next step is to set the tension on your device holder for your smartphone, your tablet, or whatever you're using. So first thing you want to do is just want to lightly loosen these. I mean, just a little. That way they keep a little bit of tension and friction on there. So then you want to slide your phone. There you go. Line it up with the milled in slots. Slide it in there. I like to keep a little bit of tension on the top and bottom, so when I go to slide it out, it doesn't try to move. Gently snug those up. They're just a tiny screw, so you ain't got to put a whole lot of torque on them. You can see the milled in slot there that the phone actually slides in. So go ahead and test fit it. There you go. And that's how you set the tension for your device holder for the type of phone or a tablet or whatever piece of a personal device that you want to attach to it. As I mentioned, we want to clean this area right here with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a paper towel, just to get any Armor All and stuff like that off, anything that you may have. Now, the base for the Pro Clips, see this right here? This will fit right in the upper seam, right above the radio. This piece right here will clip over and grab a hold of this little cubby hole ledge right here in your dash. So we'll go ahead and remove the tape and get it installed. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to get this piece lined up in here. Just go ahead and get it lined up. You're going to, kind of eyeball it and center it. It's not that difficult to do. And it's gonna, there we go. So now what you want to do is you want to take the palms of your hands and force this so you get this clip piece up over this ledge here. And there it is. It's mounted. Kind of push it down a little bit just to get the tape. The tape is just a precaution. So we'll make sure we got that pressed down. Next, we want to install our device holders. Just want to snug it for the moment, see where you want it. It has a nice little bit of adjustability to get the phone or tablet or whatever you're using perfectly mounted for you. Okay, so here's the finish install. And it's a two device holder I just don't have my wife's iPhone attached, but I got my Magellan GPS unit mounted as well. Okay guys, so there you have it. That is a video on how to install your Pro Clips extra large base and device holders in your Jeep Wrangler JK from 2012 to 2018. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out Pro Clips. I'll leave some information in the description. Thanks guys.